Company that we first warned you about last June is in trouble now with the Illinois Attorney General.
WMER 2 News' Mallory Safasta here now with an update on the case and a reminder of some of the dangers of buying and reselling diabetic testing supplies, because if it's a matter to you, it is a matter for Mallory. Mal?
Yeah, Jamie and Kelly, surplus diabetic supplies, also known as Cash Now offer, promise to buy your extra diabetic test strips from you, then pay you within 24 hours. Well, they accepted the products, but hundreds of consumers complained they never received payment. 2 weeks ago, the Illinois Attorney General filed a lawsuit against the Chicago company and its owner. They estimate that thousands of consumers nationwide, including right here in Maryland, are owed over $1 million for the diabetic testing supplies they sent Cash Now offer. And for the people who did receive something back, the payment was either late or they received an invalid check. The Better Business Bureau has also received hundreds of complaints about this business, nearly 500 in the last 3 years.
There are many businesses that provide this service. So because it's your health at risk, you really want to take the time to do the research. And this is one company BBB is saying, let's not do business with them.
Another warning, you want to be careful when buying diabetic test strips from resellers. Pharmacists say you don't know how the product is stored. If it's too hot or too cold, that could affect the accuracy of the reading. And according to Cash Now Offer's website, the business is no longer operating. We reached out to the owner, Jonathan Avila. He told us in June that the delay in payments was only temporary, and they stand by their word that customers would get paid. So we tried him again today by phone and email, but did not immediately hear back.
All right, thanks a lot, Mal. If you have a matter for Mallory, she wants to hear from you. You can email her at mallory@wmar.com.